Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of creative laptops with the Asus ProArt PX13. This sleek machine is purpose-built for creative professionals who demand the best in performance and visual fidelity. Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, or 3D modeler, the ProArt PX13 promises to elevate your workflow to new heights. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The ProArt PX13 is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with powerful hardware designed to handle even the most demanding creative tasks. We're talking about a 13th gen Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics, and a stunning 3K OLED display. Asus has clearly put a lot of thought into what creators need, and it shows. Over the next few sections, we'll be taking a deep dive into the ProArt PX13's design, performance, and unique features. We'll see how it stacks up against the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. So buckle up, and let's explore the world of creative possibilities with the Asus ProArt PX13. First impressions matter, and the ProArt PX13 makes a statement with its sleek and sophisticated design. The laptop boasts a minimalist aesthetic with clean lines and a premium feel. The chassis is crafted from high-quality materials, giving it a sturdy and durable feel. You won't find any flimsy plastic here. The ProArt PX13 is also surprisingly portable for a creative powerhouse. It weighs in at just under 3 pounds and is incredibly thin, making it easy to slip into a backpack or briefcase. This is a laptop that's designed to keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle, but the ProArt PX13's design is about more than just looks. It's also incredibly functional. The 360-degree hinge allows you to use the laptop in a variety of modes, including tent mode and tablet mode. This versatility is perfect for presentations, creative brainstorming sessions, or simply kicking back and enjoying some content. Asus has also included its excellent Asus Pen 2.0 with the ProArt PX13. This pressure-sensitive stylus is perfect for taking notes, sketching ideas, or even creating detailed illustrations. The pen glides effortlessly across the display, providing a natural and intuitive drawing experience. Let's talk about the star of the show, the ProArt PX13's stunning 13-inch 3K OLED display. This is hands down one of the best displays I've ever seen on a laptop. The colors are incredibly vibrant and accurate, with deep blacks and excellent contrast. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or simply browsing the web, everything looks absolutely stunning on this display. The ProArt PX13 covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, which is the standard for professional-grade displays. This means that you can be confident that the colors you're seeing on screen are an accurate representation of your work. But the ProArt PX13's display isn't just about pretty colors, it's also incredibly sharp and responsive. The 3K resolution provides ample screen real estate for multitasking, and the 60 Hz refresh rate ensures that everything looks smooth and fluid. Section 4. Unleashing creative power, performance, and features. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The ProArt PX13 is powered by a 13th gen Intel Core i7 processor, which provides plenty of power for even the most demanding creative tasks. Whether you're editing 4K video, compiling code, or running complex simulations, this laptop can handle it all without breaking a sweat. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card is another highlight. This powerful GPU can handle everything from video editing and 3D rendering to light gaming. You'll be able to breeze through your creative workflows without any lag or stutter, and with 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, you'll have plenty of space for all your files and applications. The ProArt PX13 also comes with a healthy selection of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and a microSD card reader. Section 5. The Asus Dial, your creative control center. One of the most innovative features of the ProArt PX13 is the Asus Dial. This physical dial, located on the left side of the keyboard deck, gives you instant control over your creative applications. You can use it to adjust brush size, change opacity, scroll through timelines, and much more. The Asus Dial is incredibly intuitive to use and can dramatically speed up your workflow. It's also highly customizable, allowing you to assign different functions to the dial depending on the application you're using. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the Asus Dial is a game changer for creative control. It's one of those features that you don't know you need until you've tried it.